Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up WeXtend Pro 5G Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up any type of extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the WeXtend Pro 5G extender box. Inside the WeXtend Pro 5G Wi-Fi extender box, you'll find the extender unit, a USB power cable or adapter, a quick start guide, and sometimes installation cards or stickers, everything you need to set it up easily. Most basic accessories are included so you can get your extender working right away. Now plug the WeXtend Pro 5G extender into a wall power socket. Turn on the power switch, if available. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid or blinking slowly. This means the extender is ready for setup. Find the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. The WPS button is labeled WPS, counterclockwise arrows button icon, or Wi-Fi icon in the back or side panel of the router. Press the WPS button on your router. The router's WPS light will start blinking. You now have 2 minutes to complete the next step. On the WeXtend Pro extender, find the WPS button, usually on the side or front. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the WeXtend Pro extender. The extender's Wi-Fi/WPS LED will start blinking. This indicates it is connecting to your router. Wait 2 to 5 minutes. The blinking light will turn solid blue or green, color may vary. Solid light means successful connection, or blinking or red light means failed connection. Do not unplug the extender during this process. Unplug the extender. Plug it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Setup completed. Your WeXtend Pro 5G Wi-Fi extender is now successfully connected and will boost Wi-Fi coverage in your home or office. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.